Okay, hi, alright. My name's like Sarah, but I just randomly got the hiccups out of like nowhere. So, yeah. Any suggestions on how to make them go away? Please help. Nope, they didn't go away. Yeah, it's just kind of random. Okay. Anyway, so any suggestions would help because I like burp after it. That's weird. These are bad. Sorry. Conversation. Hold that thought. Hello? Hi. Yeah. Okay, I have hiccups. Alright. Bye. That was Josh. Okay, anyway. Whew. We're gonna try this. Okay. How? Google. Google works. I spelled goggle. Owie! What, they went away. Okay, my friend, conversation on the internet. He just told me to hold my breath. Okay. For long. I'm gonna do it. That was weird. Ow! Alright, I'm gonna hold my breath for 15 seconds. I burped. Alright. Am I burped? Nope. Owie. I like hit myself every time I hit that. Didn't work. Alright, back to Google. Have to get rid of the hiccups. Owie. Okay. Alright, one. Hello? Hey! Guess what I'm doing? Videotaping myself because I just randomly got the hiccups and I can't get them to go away. I I know. Hang on. That's impossible. Okay, my friend. Alright. I'm also talking to a camera, by the way, and you at the same time. Okay. This is my friend Cameron. Yeah. This is... Alrighty. Okay. I'll be right back. I gotta go get some ingredients. I'm trying. Okay, I gotta do this. Alright. Karen, okay, I have to put down the phone. Because, okay, my friend Kendrick, he told me how to get rid of them. I have to stand on my head while eating a spoonful of peanut butter while drinking a glass of water while saying the ABCs backwards. Yes, I'm gonna videotape myself doing it. Alright. I gotta set down the phone. Alright, I'll set down the phone, okay? Set it on the floor so you can hear me. Stay. Okay. Gonna get my spoonful of peanut butter. Got it. My glass of water. Stand on my head while eating a spoonful of peanut butter while drinking a glass of water while saying ABCs backwards. This is gonna be hard. Okay. You stand on my head. You stand on my head. Actually. Probably be able to see a little better there. Whatever. I don't care if it's relaxed. Okay.